Here's the hardest part about the 600 steps up Santorini is that there's all these donkeys that are coming down, and here's the stairs. They're easy. It's step, walk, walk, step, walk, walk. But the donkeys come down in a herd, and they do not care if you're there. And even though I have some horse skills, it's not working on these guys. So I have to hide behind like this. Like there's a stretch like that, and I just sprinted up that because I hear the bells, and I'm wearing these shoes, and I am not getting stepped on by a donkey on Santorini. But otherwise, I think I'm making pretty good time. And I don't see anybody else going up yet. Lots of people going, well, a few people going down. It's only like 8:20. All right, I thought I heard bells, so I ran up here, but now I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go for the next leg. Encountered a problem. There is donkeys completely blocking the last top part of the stairs. So what the fuck do I do? I'm in flip-flops. Nobody's here. Let me try to get that guy to help me. I did it. 520, 521, 524, and past the donkeys. I fucking did it. I did it. I did the stairs. That's all I wanted to do today. Beat the crush of the crowds. I deserve that. Oh God. Oh God. What the fuck? That's gorgeous.
Watch the step. Step out.
And we gotta be back up there by 9:30.
donkey. That's why it's so bumpy. Need to fix my left stirrup. I already walked up and I almost got run over, so I'm riding down.
Yeah, don't blame it.
Okay, you're just gonna get seasick watching this video, so I'm gonna stop this now. Aw, you guys. I like your tika. Look, they got some cool tikas. That's this part. Some of them have like shells. The evil eyes. Yeah, so if you go up the stairs, it's not hard to climb the stairs, but the donkeys will run you over. So I rode down, it was €10, and it was really fun.